Welcome back to the channel, team. My name is Coach Anthony and this is Amdis Boxing. In this video, we're gonna go another three 3-minute rounds, super duper light. For this one, we're gonna be working defensive movements only. Very basic. Blocking, slipping, maybe some rolls in there. Now these punches are coming at a nice moderate speed, so you can practice moving, slipping, getting a little bit fancy with it. You're gonna see every punch coming, so you can get a lot of practice with this video. Watch it again and again before you move on to a harder video. All right, let's get right into it. All right, we're gonna get started in 10 seconds. Remember, keep your hands up the whole time. You're nice and light on your feet. Relax those shoulders. We're gonna be doing a lot of movement. Here we go. More hook. So that's one round down. Now for this one, we got hook punches coming in from the side, so look for those high blocks. Here we go. Ooh, little uppercut there. Nice little uppercut. So watch for that. Watch for that lead up. A real uppercut in there. All right, team, last round. This time we're gonna get a little more difficult, a little bit faster with these punches. We're gonna incorporate some uppercuts and body shots as well. So keep those hands up, keep those feet moving. Here we go. Much more beginner friendly. You can work on your defense, work on your blocks, work on your catching, all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share if you got any value from this video at all. And I'll catch you in the next one.